when Marilyn Vos Savant wrote about this problem in Parade magazine, thousands of people wrote to say that the answer should be 50-50, that it doesn't matter if the contestant switches.
By the way, among those thousands were PhDs as well.
Yes, people with PhDs in math and physics and other very quantitative fields. And they said that there is no advantage to switching. The probability of getting gold is 50% in door 1 and 50% in door 2, because there are only 2 doors left, and the gold has to be in one of those doors, so it should be 50-50. But as Arnab is going to show, it turns out that it is not 50-50, that there is actually an advantage to switching. So, Arnab, shall we talk about the first solution?
Let's go with Vos Savant's solution.
Yes.
It's brilliant, very simple.
Yes, okay. So, we're going to write a table with all of the possible scenarios here. Okay, so we have door 1, door 2, door 3, and we have outcome of switching. So, okay, so Arnab, in the first scenario, we have gold in behind the first door, trash behind the second door, and trash behind the third door. In the second scenario, we have trash behind the first door, gold behind the second door, and trash behind the third door. And in the third scenario, we have trash behind the first door, trash behind the second door, and trash behind, gold behind the third door. Okay.
And let's say for all scenarios we choose door 1.
Right. Without loss of generality, we're just going to choose door 1. Okay? So the contestant chooses door number 1. Okay. Contestant's choice. Okay. So, Arnab, let's walk through the possibilities here. So, if the contestant chooses door number 1, then the host has to open a door that reveals trash. And in this scenario,
you can choose either one.
You can choose either one. So let's say if the host chooses door number 3. Now, if the contestant switches, they're going to go with door number 2, which has trash. So the outcome of switching is trash. Okay. Now, in the second scenario, the contestant chooses door number 1. The host has to open a door that reveals trash. And there's only one possibility here, and that's door number 3. So if the contestant switches, they're going to switch to door number 2, which is gold. Okay, so there's gold here. And in the third scenario, the contestant chooses door number 1. The host has to reveal a door with trash, and there's only one possibility here, and that is
door number 2.
Door number 2. And so if the contestant switches, then they're going to get gold. So the outcome of switching is trash, gold, gold. So the probability of getting gold by switching is 2/3. So this is a very elegant way of showing that switching is advantageous.
Right.
Right, okay.